Assalamu alaikum Ben. खैरियत से हैं आप?
I'm good, thank God. Sir, how about you? आप
Thank
ठीक
you. May
हैं?
Allah bless you. मैं ठीक हूँ. अल्लाह आपको जज़ाए खैर दे.
I'm Kawal Nawaz from Islamabad, Pakistan. Can you please switch off the camera?
Oh, you don't want to
Can you
appear?
please?
Okay, no problem. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, I have a question for you, but first of all, as being a non-Shia and being just a bookish Muslim, I would like to first highly appreciate you, the way you have opened up the horizon for all of us through your
Yeah.
this logical and authentic forum, right?
Yes.
Irrespective of any sect, everybody is allowed to talk to you, to ask whatever they want to ask from you. That's
Yeah.
so one thing, because once Hazrat Ali also said that you can, oh people, ask from me whatever you want to ask. I'm actually not comparing anyone with Hazrat Ali, but I just want to say it's a sunnah of Maulai Kainat and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So that's why I also got the courage to ask a question from you.
Sure.
Being a Muslim, I do agree that knowledge of everything exists in Quran, like some with details and some not in detail, but with the essence at least. My question is actually a very simple question. God forbidden, it's not a doubt. It's just a confusion. As a student, I would say it's just a confusion that if everything is written in the Quran, it making me confused at why the incident of Karbala is not mentioned in Quran. Like I know that if Allah say to just recite namaz and to offer salah, but the method is not in Quran. It's in Hadith. But at least essence is there in the Quran, right? But I'm just confused that even not the essence of the incident of the Karbala, because it is the martyrdom of the grandson of our holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, even though Ghazwa Badr also being addressed in Quran. So it's my question for you, and I hope you will take it very positive. It's not the doubt. Being a Muslim, as a student, I'm asking from you. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Yeah, thank you, sister, for your appreciation. May Allah bless you and Allah keep you well. Let me bring to you a hadith about Karbala being mentioned in the Quran. In the beginning of Surah Maryam, there's a verse. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Sister, okay. This Tafsir al-Burhan, the Sayyid Hashim al-Bahrani, volume number 5, published in Iran. The first verse of Surah Maryam, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Kaf, Ha, Ya, Ain, Sad. Hadith number 3. Sa'ad ibn Abdullah Qumi, who is a very famous and well-known narrator and very respected, and he was a companion of Imam al-Hadi alayhi salam, Imam Hassan Allahyari alayhi salam. He has the opportunity to meet with the 12th Imam alayhi salam. And in that meeting, he asks him about this verse. فأخبرني يا ابن رسول الله عن تأويل كاف ها يا عين صاد ذكر رحمة ربك عبده زكريا. So he asked the Imam alayhi salam, what is the tafsir of these letters in the Holy Quran? The Imam alayhi salatu wasalam said, هذه الحروف من أنباء الغيب اطلع الله عليه عبده زكريا. These are signs and symbols that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had informed his servant Zakaria, and later on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala narrated this to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Zakaria had prayed to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, oh Allah, please teach me the names of the 5 holy beings. Teach me their names. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala أهبط الله جبرائيل فعلمه إياه. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had sent Jibreel, and he had taught him the names of the 5 holy beings. فكان زكريا إذا ذكر محمدا وعليا وفاطمة والحسن سري عنه همه وانجلى كربه. It was such that when Zakaria alayhi salam would mention the names of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, Amir al-Mu'minin Ali alayhi salam and Fatima al-Zahra salamullah alayha, and Imam al-Hasan alayhi salam, he would be overwhelmed by a feeling of pleasure and gaiety. وإذا ذكر الحسين حسينا وإذا ذكر الحسين خنقته العبرة ووقت عليه البحر. However, when he would mention Al-Imam al-Hussein alayhi salatu wassalam, his eyes would be full of tears and he would shed tears and sadness will overwhelm him. And so one day he prayed to Allah, يا إلهي ما لي إذا ذكرت أربعا منهم تسليت بأسمائهم من همومي وإذا ذكرت الحسين تدمع عيني وتثور زفرتي. He prayed to Allah, oh Allah, what is the secret in these names? The first 4 names, when I mentioned them, I have a feeling of pleasure and I have a feeling of being uplifted, and all my worries go away. However, وإذا ذكرت الحسين تدمع عيني, whenever I mention Hussein alayhi salam, unbeknownst to me, unintentionally, my eyes tear and weeps flow down my cheeks. وتثور زفرتي, and I cries of grief, they come out of my throat and my mouth. What is the reason? فأنبه الله تبارك وتعالى عن قصته. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala informs Zakaria of the following: Kaf, Ha, Ya, Ain, Sad. فالكاف اسم كربلاء. Kaf stands for Karbala. والها هلاك العترة. Ha means the halak of Ahl al-Bayt alayhim salam, the demise and the martyrdom of Ahl al-Bayt salamullahi alayhim. والياء يزيد لعنه الله. Ya is Yazid. وهو ظالم الحسين salamullahi alayhim. And Allah said Yazid is the one who would be oppressing and he would be violating the sanctity of Imam Hussein alayhi salam. وَالْعَيْنُ عَطَشُهُ, and Ain is the atash, is the thirst of Imam Hussein. Kaf, Ha, Ya, Ain. Sad stands for his sabr, for the sabr. Then there's a continuation of hadith. So that is the answer to your question, that Karbala is mentioned. And there are so many other verses in the Noble Quran that refer to Karbala and to the event of Karbala, that Ahl al-Bayt alayhim as-salatu was-salam have mentioned them in their ahadith, that these verses allude to the event of Karbala. Okay, my sister is gone. Thank you so much for your call. Let me take another caller.